is my sister, but not only my young sister from our parents, but she's also my older sister in prayers and spirituality. For Irena, I can't find what to say because we lived together for a life, and we lived well, and he helped me in everything. I especially remember when she was 5, she was the one that our father preferred more to give the tasks, because she was fast and smart and everything. About the good things that she did to us, I would write a whole book. But what I can't forget is that she took care of me when I was young and disabled. With a disability, I couldn't walk. So she provided me whatever I was in need of. Another thing that I will not forget is that she kept helping our mother even when our parents and our elders have left us. I can't forget how she managed to come to visit us with kids from America here. She brought us the word of God, and she explained and she preached it to us. She explained everything in this Bible, mainly about love and helping the poor people. When we were at home, we were spending our time singing the gospel songs. It was like we were living in heaven. The souls of righteous people are with God. I am Mukamana Pascaline. Irena is my older sister. The short testimony of her life, I called it The Goodness of God through Mukamana Irena. I am not going to say many things about her. We raised together. So up to now, I have not yet imagined that she has gone. These clothes I'm wearing and also those ones I hold in my hands are the gifts from her. I sleep in them so that I can just keep smelling her smell. Irena showed me how God is good, and she showed me that God sent her to me. My life was her concern. She kept asking me, do you have rice for kids? Did the kids drink the milk? Do you have sugar for them? I can't say many things about her, but my heart wishes her to be with God in heaven. I kept praying so that God can just keep her with us for a long time. That is not what happened. The plans of God is different from ours. Irene, wherever you are, may God receive you in heaven. The good things that you wished to people, May the God save them to you. Be with our parents, Bernadette, our mother, Cyprian, our father, our elders, Beatrice, Bertree, Dejan. Be with the whole heaven. May God keeps you in peace. And me too, I wish to be with you one day. May you rest in eternal peace.
Amina.
What I remember about Irene, see, I'm her brother, the young brother, on the second place. Since when she was young, she was a kind of visionary. I remember even our mother was just consulting her about everything. You see, she was advising our mother about cultivating, about farming, and she was around 15 and 12, and our mother was around 45. And our mother was very attentive to listen to her as if she's listening to the expert. Another thing I keep remember is that when we grew up, she kept telling me that our family needs someone who can just act as a man of the family. You have to get that, to get in your mind that you have to be the one. You have to take those responsibilities of a man in the family. So you can't do it alone. So you have to approach God to seek for the wisdom. You have to pray. She was telling me to climb the Karora mountain to pray with her on the phone. Let's ask for the wisdom, for the strength, so that you can just stand strong. So she kept teaching me, advising me. It's very hard for me to forget her. You see, she kept even remembering me people that we are living here around together. So telling me, go and visit this and give me the information about them, what is going on there. So for her, she was always closer to the family, and she was always giving the advices to people. So what I can tell you just to be, let's keep together, let's help each other. I wish that God has received her in His kingdom, and we will meet her there one day. Evangelist did not come to play. For me, Irene is my sister. But apart from that, she was like my mother, she was like my advisor. Yeah, she was always been there for me. And as I was the youngest in the family, she definitely carried me on her back. First of all, we resemble, we look alike. When I look at the picture, I see that we look alike. Yeah, number two, we were born on the same day. We celebrate our birthday on the same date.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Luis. Happy birthday to you. Mommy is so dramatic. My dream now.
Another thing is that, like someone who lived in a young age, I remember that I was repeating the songs that she was singing without even knowing their meanings. Yeah, many things. I remember when I was just approaching her and when she was cooking, and asking her to give me something about what she was cooking. Whatever she gave me, she bite on it. I was biting on it, and I was asking the reason why, but I realized that it was a kind of sharing. She did many things to me. For her, I have never grown up to now. She kept telling me how I have to behave, how I have to live a life which has a purpose. This is one of the gifts that she gave me, how I can live a life with a purpose and directed to God. There is nothing else I can do apart from following the advices that she gave me, and I put her in the hands of God in my prayers. Yeah, I give her to God. May God receive her and stay with us. Yeah, that's all. But we are very shocked for losing her, but God will stay with us.